Hiya! Sa video na 'to, tuturuan ko kayo ng tamang pagsagot sa tanong na "Tell me about yourself" na laging tinatanong sa initial interview sa call center. This is Miss Rain, your BPO chikadora. Una sa lahat, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit nga ba hindi nawawala ang tanong na "Tell me about yourself" during initial interview sa isang call center. Ito ay tinatanong para makilala ka ng interviewer mo. Gusto nilang malaman kung talagang prepared ka at alam mo yung sasabihin mo na pagpapakilala para i-build mo yung sarili mo na ikaw yung karapat-dapat para sa trabaho or posisyon na ina-applyan mo. Sa prosesong ito na pagtatanong ng "Tell me about yourself", tinitingnan ng interviewer kung gaano mo kaseryoso or gaano ka kaseryoso na na-research mo yung trabaho na ina-applyan mo at tinitingnan nila kung talagang aware ka sa posisyon na ina-applyan mo at hindi lang basta-basta ka nag-a-apply. Sa pagtatanong din nito, tinitingnan nila kung gaano ka ka-confident na sagutin yung isang tanong na yun na "Tell me about yourself" by being pagpapakilala sa sarili kung gaano mo na-built yung confident mo by saying or by answering that question. Ang kadalasan na sagot ng iba dito ay yung specific na sagot lang by saying their name, age, address, educational background, work experience, which is tama naman. Pero tingin mo sapat na ba ito para mag-stand out ka sa ibang applicant? Or paano kung wala kang work experience, paano mo i-stand out yung sarili mo by answering that specific question? Make more sense out of that specific question. Ang ibig kong sabihin ay lagyan mo ng tweak. For example, by saying your educational background, state more about it. Kung ano yung mga skills, knowledge na natutunan mo sa educational background mo na pwede mong i-apply sa call center agent or sa previous job mo na natutunan mo yung mga good practice, skills, at knowledge na natutunan mo sa previous work experience mo na pwede mong i-apply by simply adding that up dun sa isasagot mo sa tanong na "Tell me about yourself." Kadalasan na tanong ay pwede ko bang sagutin ng interviewer based sa nakalagay sa resume ko? Basically, yes. Pwede mo silang sagutin ng nakalagay kung ano yung nakalagay sa resume mo, pero kumbaga lagyan mo ng tweak. Kumbaga lagyan mo ng skills, experience, good practices na natutunan mo dun sa previous job mo or kung wala kang previous job, sa educational background mo. Sample answer for with work experience but not CSR or not customer service. Hi, my name is Rain Santos. You can call me by my first name. I took up computer engineering. I previously worked as a food staff where I learned how to deal with different kinds of customers every day. My main responsibilities included taking orders accurately, handling customer concern, and making sure they had a great dining experience. That role helped me develop strong communication skills, patience, and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Qualities that I believe are very important as a customer service representative position. I also became more detail oriented and learned how to multitask efficiently, which I can definitely apply when assisting customer in a call center setting. So, ayun siya guys. So, in the first line, meron na agad call to action, which is yung interviewer, they can call you by your first name, they can address you by your first name or by your nickname. And then second is you told them the course you took on college. You didn't tell them if you're graduate or not, but it's okay because positive pa rin yung I took up in this course, blah, blah, blah. And then, yung hinighlight din dito yung previous job and also the things that you learn with your previous job that you can also apply as a customer service representative, which is the positive skills and knowledge that you can also apply and you can maintain while working as a customer service representative. Good thing din na na-highlight dito yung strong communication skills, patience, and the ability to stay calm under pressure because those skills will be needing as a customer service representative. Dapat yung skills na yon ay maging talent na as time goes by dahil yung mga skills na yon ay kailangan basically dahil syempre magha-handle ka ng iba't ibang customer at sobrang daming customer a day. So, kaya kailangan ng aware ka. Alam nilang aware ka na you can still perform under pressure. Okay? So, dito naman tayo sa newbie. So, sample answer for fresh graduate with no experience. Hi, I'm Rain. I recent graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Even though I don't have any formal work experience yet, I've developed strong communication and problem-solving skills through my school projects, group activities, and presentations. I enjoy talking to people, helping them find solutions. Why which is why I'm here. I'm really interested in starting my career as a customer service. I'm also fast learner, adaptable, and always willing to be trained to meet the needs of customer and the company. So there, again, you highlighted your first name that they can address you by your first name and the course you took, college, if you're graduated, and also um, sinasabi din nito na kahit wala kang experience, you have this knowledge, you have the skills that you develop when you're college or when you're at school. You really love talking to people, helping them find solution, which is a need that you have that positive attitude that you can also apply as a customer service representative. Nasasabi rin dito yung fast learner, easy adaptable kasi dapat nga mabilis ka dito mag-catch up dahil sa mga trainings, dapat mabilis ka mag-catch up about the product, specific training, and all that. And also, you have that eagerness to learn. That's very important. Ito naman guys, papakita ko yung sample answer for no experience at all. As in, wala siyang job experience and also, let's say for example, or think of it in this way that undergraduate siya. So, iba naman yung format nun. So, as you can see, mayroong name, education, still, accomplishments sa school, if there is any, And also, since walang work experience, pwede mo rin naman sabihin dito, like you will just gonna tell a short story about yourself, your good attitude, your hobbies like reading books, watching movies, English movies that could help you, practice your English. What else? Reading dictionaries that can also help you when you started to think of applying as a customer service representatives, and also what keeps you motivated while you basically applying this job, why you need this job, and your dreams in life. Let's say your dreams like 5 years or 10 years from the moment you applied. In this way, malalaman ng interviewer na talagang eager ka magtrabaho at gagawin mo lahat para makapasok ka at matuto ka sa trabaho na 'to. Okay? So, let's start the sample answer for this one. So here it goes. Hi, my name is Rain. I recently took a Bachelor of Secondary Education. One of my biggest accomplishments in school was leading a group project that got high grades, which taught me how to work hard and manage my time well. During my free time, I love reading books, watching English movies, listening to music, learning new things online that could help me applying here in the BPO industry. These hobbies help me relax and stay creative, and what really motivates me is the idea of improving myself and being able to help my family someday. My dream 10 years from now is to build a stable career, and I believe working as a customer service representative will be a great start to reach that goal. O 'di ba, simple pero bongga. Kasi hindi pa rin nawala dun yung idea, and eagerness to learn, to work as a customer service representative by simply, telling them your hobbies, your positive attitude that you can also apply as a customer service representative, your future goals that, help them to know that you really would want a stable job. Hindi lang syempre stable job, but a long-term career as a customer service representative. Ganun lang siya, guys. Make the most out of it. Think of you're the interviewer and ano ba yung kailangan ng company sa applicant na to, bakit ko siya i-consider sa as a customer service representative, 'di ba? So kailangan syempre eager to magtrabaho, kailangan may eagerness siya na tatagal siya sa career na to, at may eagerness din siya to learn, and also um fast learner din dapat siya. So yun dapat yung iisipin mo na kailangan mong sagutin, or yun dapat yung iisipin mo na kailangan maintindihan ni interviewer na ako lahat yun. Ipasok mo ko kasi ako lahat yun at para ako sa trabaho na 'to. Yung mga sample na binigay ko sa inyo, and also you can rephrase it whatever you want. So yun lang, binigyan ko lang kayo ng sample para may idea kayo kung paano siya, nilalatag sa interview. Paano nga ba sagutin yung "Tell me about yourself" sa initial interview. So, kung meron pa kayong gustong tanong sa akin na puwede kong masagot sa next video call, just let me know sa comment section. Feel free to use that comment para ilatag yung mga tanong niyo para maisa-isa natin siyang masagot sa next video natin. Again, this is Miss Rain. Please subscribe, like, and also share my videos para sa mga future PPO customer service representative. Bye!